Now you'll create the actual remote access IPsec tunnel. Go to VPN then IPsec wizard, after that create new. In the first step, VPN setup, configure the following: set tunnel name. Now template type remote access. Pre-shared key, enter the key as a password, which need to store because FortiClient installation time it's required. Now create a VPN user group. User access must be restricted strictly to members of this group. Set the group name, select the group type, and create a VPN user. You can repeat these steps to add multiple users. Note: any user created for VPN access must be added as a member of this group. If required to enable two-factor authentication, you can enable from here. Click Next. Set addresses to assign to connected endpoints and must be subnet for connected endpoints 255, 255, 255, 255. Click Next. Set incoming interface, choose your WAN port that is port so clients can connect over the Internet. Configure the secure Internet access interface to handle traffic when a VPN user connects and accesses the local port. Click Next. Once you've reviewed and confirmed all values, click Create to finalize the VPN configuration. Go to browser and download FortiClient from the official Fortinet website. FortiClient VPN only download and install FortiClient on your Windows machine by following the installation wizard. Install FortiClient, take 10 minutes maximum. Set name of connection, then set remote gateway as a WAN IP, then PSK password add which create previous and save login selected, set VPN username. If facing any issue about connection, please create a technical support on Fortinet. If successful, FortiClient should receive an address from the VPN pool.